Hey again, this is Miss Rogers, and I'm wrapping up the similarity triangles with the third thing, and it is word problems. So I've got this word problem here, and I need you to draw a picture about it. It says, a 4-foot tall baby elephant casts a 9-foot shadow standing next to a truck. You see what I did? I rearranged it. So I took a 4-foot baby elephant standing next, not standing, a baby elephant casts a 4-foot shadow, then standing next to a truck. Because the truck is not casting a shadow, the baby elephant is. They worded this really awkwardly. So I've got an elephant. I'm going to see if I can draw an elephant. Here's the elephant. There's one leg, one leg, one leg, one leg. Here's the head. Here's the ears. And here's the snout. And it's not too bad. Can't forget the tail. There we go. So now I've got a baby elephant, and it casts a shadow. I'm going to use purple for shadow. Casts a 6-foot shadow. So there's my shadow. Just take those old records on. Okay, so I've got a 6-foot shadow. So I'm going to label that 6 foot. And the 4-foot baby elephant, I'm going to draw a line straight up. That's 4 foot. There we go. Do you see that we have almost a triangle? If I draw this line in right here, I have a right triangle because the baby elephant end is measured straight up vertically. It doesn't look like a regular a right triangle, but it is. And then I've got a truck. So I'm going to draw a truck. A little simplified truck. Okay. So there's my truck. And it casts a shadow. I'm going to use purple for shadow. Casts a shadow that is 9 feet. And we want to know how tall is the truck. That's our X. So now I have a picture. Remember, we want to draw in the rest of the triangle. We have a picture of what this is. So by using indirect measurement, I can figure this out. So I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to my proportions. So I'm going to use the elephant, 4 over X, elephant, to truck. 4 over X is equal to 6 over 9. Okay, that's not too hard. So then I cross multiply. 6X equals 36. Divide by 6, so X equals 6. So the truck is 6 feet tall. And there's my answer. Okay. So now let's try the next one. Talking about a giraffe. A giraffe, I'm going to use orange or yellow, is 16 feet tall. So let's see if I can draw a giraffe. The long neck and the body. Almost. Okay, so there's a giraffe. Looks almost like a dinosaur. Get the tail in there. And it says the dinosaur is 16 feet tall. So there's my 16 feet. And it's standing next to, it casts an 8-foot shadow. So I'm going to use purple again for my shadow. Cast an 8-foot shadow. And I'm going to draw in the rest of my triangle. Okay. It went a little short, but that's okay. And we're standing next to a tree. So I'm going to use, let's see, I'm going to make it a pink tree. So here's the tree. And if the shadow of the tree is 14 feet, so here's my shadow. It's 14 feet. Whoops, that's not right. Undo. Where's my undo? Get my eraser. There we go. 14 feet. I want to know how tall is the tree. That's my X. Once again, I'm going to fill in the rest of the triangle. And now I have two similar triangles. And this is my right angle, and this is my right angle. So remember, we have markers. The 16 is on the black. So I'm going to go giraffe to tree. So 16 over X is equal to giraffe to tree. 8 over X. That wrong. What should it be? Should be 8 over 14. All right. Cross multiply. 8x equals, and I get my handy calculator. Where'd my calculator go? There it is. Okay, turn it on. So 14 times 16 is 224. Divide by 8. I get 28. So X is 28. Now what is X? X is the height of the tree. So the tree is 28 feet tall. All right. Notice I didn't write one on the giraffe, on the elephant, but I did on that one, so that's all right. Yeah, let's talk about number 3. A 6-foot woman. So we need a pink. So I've got a woman here. I'm going to just draw a stick figure. She's pink because she's a woman. Cast a 18-foot long shadow. So first off, she is how tall? 6 foot. Big woman. And she casts a shadow, so we need purple. That is 18 feet long. Then we have a Ferris wheel. What color do we want for Ferris wheel? Let's do green. So we have a Ferris wheel, and we know it's round. And there's the little supports for it. It's got its little seats. So there's our Ferris wheel. Okay. And we want to know how tall it is, and it casts a 60-foot shadow. There's our 60-foot shadow. And we want to know how tall it is, so we're going to draw a line up, and there's our X. What are we missing? We're missing the rest of our triangles. So we're going to draw that in. Draw that in. You notice we have a right angle. There's our right angle. Here's our right angle. That's our marker. So I'm going to go from woman to Ferris wheel. So 6 over X is equal to 18 over 60. So I'm going to take and do 18 times x is equal to 6 times 6 is 36, and a 0. Then I divide by 18. I believe it's 20. Let me double check it. 36, 0, divided by 18. Yep, it's 20. So x equals 20. So it's not a big variable, it's just a little one. So 20 feet. And there's my answer. Okay, I'm going to leave the rest of these for you to do on your own. It's on the worksheet on Canvas that you go to formative. So